Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta show you this. It is incredible. Robot vacuum mopping, app control, remote controlled, self-docking LiDAR robot vacuum cleaner. It's the SL60 from Shellbot. Again, a smart laser robot vacuum. We're gonna kick it off. Check it out right about now. All right, folks, so what makes this such an awesome vacuum cleaner? Well, I absolutely love it. It is moderately silent.
Continue vacuuming and
Look at
mopping.
this.
No
I can
change
talk
in
right
the
over it.
machine.
It is intelligent with LiDAR design. It's not gonna fall off edges. Say if you're working near stairs or upstairs, you don't have to worry about that. It maps your entire room on the smart app, which will show you on a side-by-side, and you can pick areas for it to clean. And on top of areas for you to pick it clean, you can actually schedule times as well. And this thing is so powerful. 4,000 PA of suction with a 5,200 mAh battery. That is a huge lithium-ion battery. Now this doesn't just do the vacuuming, it does mopping as well. I've got it in mopping mode and it's got a wet tank. So many different aspects here. On top of that, it is completely rechargeable and it will even dock itself. So if you're looking for a high quality robot vacuum, one that's gonna filter the air, one that's going to be remote controlled, app controlled, and you can just press the top to make it work, one that will work in the areas that you want and isn't going to get things, isn't going to get stuck, one that isn't going to...
Start returning to the dock to
Look at that, it told me it's done. So folks, if you're looking for a great product,
swipe the clip sensor clean and move the machine
with clear English,
to start.
a replaceable and cleanable brush, this one's absolutely for you. And folks, from a personal standpoint, I just love this robot vacuum. I love that I don't have to get out a corded heavy vacuum once a day to pick up the dog hair. The house stays clean because I just have it scheduled while I'm at work to come in, clean the high traffic areas, and I'm done. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to do anything. I can have it mop, I can have it vacuum, I can have it clean, and this is absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is heck yes, you absolutely should. Now let's go ahead and check out the up close portion of the video where you get to see everything about it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you for being a friend, and stick around for the up close portion of the video. All right, folks, it's time for the up close portion of the video. This is the SL60 Laser LiDAR Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner by Shellbot. Shellbot has a great app is one thing. I really do like their app. Let's go ahead and check it out. So the things that come with this, obviously you get this sweet little robot vacuum cleaner. Back up a little bit so you can see everything here. Easy on, easy off. And let's go ahead and check it out. Looks like you can change out and clean out the brush. That's always a nice aspect. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. It's nice that the brushes nowadays, like, they do a good job of having these really soft bristles. Now you have a 5,200 mAh battery, which is a very strong and performance-worthy lithium-ion battery. And yeah, that 5,200 mAh, that's a rated power of 45 watts, 8 amp. Yeah, this thing is powerful. Just looked at the stats alone. It's a powerful vacuum cleaner. On top of all that, it does have the mopping feature right here. You can clip that on. And then it comes with a couple little brushes right down below. Boom. And I guess that's a backup brush. So it just goes ahead, finds all the dirt, and throws it into here for you. Now, I'm a big fan of a good quality vacuum cleaner, and this one seems to be the real deal like Evander Holyfield. Now, it does come with the tank here, so you can go ahead and it has a great filter. It says dust tank cleaning instructions, so you can clean out the dust tank, swipe it out, empty it out, etc., etc. That's going to be real nice as well. Just empty it out accordingly. So what else do we have here? Like I said, you have the extra brush. It is a 110 plug to recharge. And unlike a lot of robot vacuums, this comes with a remote control. On top of the remote control, it does include the batteries right here, as well as a clear, concise control pad and an LED screen. And then on top of all that, it does have the docking station included. So you get your docking station as part of this. We'll take the plastic off later. But yeah, very exciting. You can see in regards to docking, you've got your two charge ports right here, and it just parks right on top of it. It'll automatically park, which is nice. And yeah, we're looking at a really high quality product. Another nice aspect compares this to some of the competition is the rubberized wheels. You can get up close on those. Those are going to be quieter than a lot of the competition. So folks, if you're looking for a great little robot vacuum, this one is going to be the bee's knees. It's going to be the cat's pajamas or the cat's meow, depending on how you want to term it. And yeah, go ahead and pick yours up, folks. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Did I mention it also includes batteries for the remote? But yeah, fantastic product. And if that isn't enough for you, it ties in to the Shellbot app, which everybody seems to love. Very easy to program to. You can have it pick the room you want. You can have it do some edge cleaning. You can do all sorts of stuff. And it has the easy to read English instruction manual just for you. Look at this. It's nice, right? Robot vacuum, the SL60 instruction manual. And I like that it has everything about it in clear English with very easy to understand diagrams. And of course, pick up the app from your app store. It's available on Google Play or your Apple App Store. And here's some examples of the app. But yeah, it's great. You follow the guidelines. It connects to 2.4 gigahertz network. It's got mapping on it. This thing is great. If you ever have to reset the Wi-Fi, hold down both of these buttons. It's gonna work with your Google and your Echo device. So turn on Smart Robot is all you're gonna have to tell Alexa, and this thing's gonna work just fine. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Tie this into your Google Assistant. Tie this into your Echo device. And just tie it into your life. The luxury of having something that can clean the floors when you're not home is amazing. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.